In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Codespaces. Whether you're tinkering with open-source projects or working on personal development tasks, GitHub Codespaces can be a game-changer. It provides a cloud-based development environment, which means you're not limited by the physical limitations of your own machine. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Any reliable browser will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. In the search bar, type in GitHub and hit Enter. You'll see several search results pop up, but the one you're looking for is GitHub's official site. Click that link and it'll take you directly to GitHub's homepage. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your details. Just click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. For those who are new to GitHub, don't worry. You'll need to create an account first. It's straightforward. Just follow the instructions for signing up, and soon enough, you'll be set up with your account ready to go. Once you're logged in, the next step is navigating to the main page of the repository you're interested in. This is where all the action happens. If you have clarity on the repository you want to work with, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Simply type in the repository name, and once it appears, click on it to access its main page. On this main page, you'll notice a section right under the repository's name. This section has various options that will help manage your coding environment. Look for the branch drop-down menu. It shows the name of the current branch you're working with. This is crucial because Codespaces are branch-specific. Click the drop-down to reveal the other branches available and select the one you want to create a codespace for. This flexibility allows you to work with different branches without any hassle. Now comes the exciting part. Look for the Code button and give it a click. A box will pop up, showing a few different tabs. You're interested in the Codespaces tab. Click on it, and you'll find options that let you either create a new codespace or manage an existing one. This is where GitHub does all the heavy lifting, setting up your development environment in the cloud without any fuss from your side. With these easy steps, you're now ready to harness the power of GitHub Codespaces, turning your ideas into reality, all within an efficient and tailored development setup. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!